In the world of automotive design, few brands dare to be as bold, eccentric, and downright charming as Mitsuoka. Known for transforming everyday cars into rolling homages to classic British luxury, Mitsuoka has once again captured attention with its latest creation, the Viewt Royal Edition. This new variant is a special edition of the recently updated Viewt, a compact car that has long been mimicking the classic Jaguar Mk2 with its retro styling. While the original Viewt was based on the Nissan Micra or March, last year saw a big transition. The car now rides on the Toyota Yaris TNGA-B platform. And now, with the arrival of the Royal Edition, Mitsuoka adds a new chapter to this quirky lineage. At first glance, the Viewt Royal Edition instantly stands out. Offered in three classy shades, Royal Green, Royal Red, and Royal White, this compact car wears its British influence proudly. From its chrome front and rear bumpers to its vintage-inspired grille and rounded headlights, the styling is a nostalgic nod to the 1960s. A unique rear badge identifies this model as the Special Royal Edition, though no one's likely to mistake it for an actual classic Jaguar. Inside, Mitsuoka has applied a cohesive and refined interior finish. All trims come with royal brown artificial leather covering the seats, door panels, and parts of the dashboard. Small touches like Union Jack seat accents reinforce the car's retro British charm, even though it's a thoroughly Japanese product underneath. Performance-wise, the Viewt Royal Edition inherits its powertrains from the Toyota Yaris. Customers can choose from a 1.0-liter or 1.5-liter petrol engine or a 1.5-liter hybrid system. Transmission options include a CVT or a 6-speed manual for the 1.5-liter petrol with either front or all-wheel drive available. The hybrid variant also offers a 2WD or 4WD setup catering to a wide range of needs in city and suburban driving. Pricing starts at around $26,300, rising to just over $35,000 depending on configuration. Mitsuoka is accepting orders until December 21st, though production quantities haven't been revealed. For those who crave individuality and retro flair in their daily drive, the Viewt Royal Edition offers a delightful blend of modern reliability and classic charisma.